How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Now, I told you yesterday to work on this binary search. If you're not going to do that, then other things will be very difficult to understand. So, first of all, you have to watch yesterday's video and how to do this binary search. Searching of an element by using binary search. So, for that, we have assigned low and maximum number. Low means minimum number, maximum number will be given as high, right? So that using both the numbers you are searching mid element, and the mid element is equivalent to that particular searching element, then you are going to tell that particular search is successful and that element will be shown which position it has to be seated. Similarly, we have done in 11th standard linear search. That same thing has been derived in 12th standard also. So those videos you have to watch first, okay? Then only other things will be easier for you to do. It is not memorizing the programming. You have to understand the concept and you only have to develop so many programs. Today what we are going to see, today we are going to delete the element. So required element to be deleted are from the sorted list. Sorted list means as ascending order list, okay? The list should be given as ascending order. That is what sorted list is. So if you are going to give those elements in a sorted list, then again you are going to search the position of the list number element in the list using binary search. So yesterday you watched a video of binary search, how to do that. Now you are going to search the element's position in the list by using that same binary search method, and then after that you are going to delete that particular item by giving del as a keyword. I will explain that. So delete that particular item. Afterwards you are going to show the listed item without that particular deleted item. So many words and keywords are available in Python. Del or remove is used to remove this particular element from the list. That's what the thing today we are going to see, okay? So now look at here in this program. Just I have done this one in Word file. Now look at here. Yesterday we have shown how to do binary search, right? So the element, that listed element should be passed like this. List will be passed like this, and the element to be searched of to be given like this. And we have to assign low and high values. After that, low is lesser than high, then you are going to tell mid is low plus high, and then divided by 2, floor division, it will give the quotient part. If the mid of this particular list is equivalent to the element, then you are just going to return back the mid position only. You are going to return back. If it is not, again you are going to check another condition. Greater than element, then high, you are going to set high equal to mid minus 1, so that the position will be the searching position will be goes to the left part of the particular list. Else you are going to tell low is equal to mid plus 1. So if the number is greater than the mid element, then mid plus 1 will be now low. So that will be the given part will be the second part, or the right part of the list will be searched off. From there you are going to search that element. This is the thing you should understand. Previously as an animation of this binary search, you have to understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be always 24 hours I'll be available. Message me, call me, ask me every doubts, okay? So I'll be waiting for that. Now today what you are going to do, you are going to do the same binary search and finding particular element which the element should be now deleted off, okay? So now first I'm just going, it is a main program, so you are just going to pass some elements in the list, okay? So just initially you are telling answer equal to y, means we are using while loop. So previously we need to set something as a flag. So I'm just saying that result or answer equal to y. whenever the answer equal to y, then you are asking the user to input the number to be deleted off from the list.